Okay, so here we have the manipulative practice number 7. And so what we had to do was that we had to solve 12 minus 5 using the comparison method. And we had to use the counters as the manipulatives. And so what I did here was that I constructed 12 counters minus 5. This is the original equation that we have for the manipulatives. And so what I did next was that I had 5 counters that I created in order to represent the value of 5. So what I did was that I eliminated each one of the 5 counters in this value set. And then I did the same in this value set. I eliminated 5 counters in this 12 value set. And the remaining counters was the value that was remaining. And the sum of the remaining counters was 7. And so down here I have the final answer of 12 minus 5 using the comparison method of 7 counters.